Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in this video I'm going to simply show you on how to hide or unhide folders in Windows 10 laptop. So let's see. All right, so just like what you see right here, I have a folder right here. So what we need to do is to make sure we select the folder we want to hide first. Then having selected the folder, next thing you need to do is to come to the top right here, click on view, and then these options here is going to be present. What you need to do is to simply click on hidden items. Then this options here is going to pop up. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on hide selected item, and then it's going to be hidden, just like what you see right now. Then the next thing you want to do to unhide the folder, what you need to do is to simply go back to view, and then simply click on hidden item, and it's come back. Then we can simply go back to file, and then it's selected item, and we have the folder back to life. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to hide or hide file folder in Windows 10 laptop. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.